What is up, my dudes? I am sorry for being gone again, and this is probably going to be a pretty short video, but I just wanted to catch you all up. If you haven't saw the last video, I got the KA running inside the car, etc, etc. But with that being said, I am super close to driving this thing for the first time, and I'm so excited. But of course, I'm just running into issues once again. So as you will see here, everything's looking a bit more tidy than the last time you would have saw it. I still have to paint this pipe here and get a filter and whatnot, but I set up dual catch cans, redid the PCV system, just been cleaning up things, you know, the drill. And I am now bleeding the brakes. I was really having a hell of a time getting fluid to the rear calipers. I got the one side going and I'm still working on this side right here. So hopefully I can get that done at some point tonight. Tori and I are going away for the weekend to celebrate her birthday, so I'm hoping I can at least get to say I drove this thing once before we leave. And then next week I have a better idea of what's next. I can get my alignment booked up, and I'm gonna start putting the interior and some of the front body panels all onto it. I have currently the dashboard and seats just temporarily mounted, just so I can drive it, keep an eye on all my stuff, and I don't have to hold gauges in my hands. I got all my ISR rear arms in. I got my Silver's coilovers in. I definitely still have a lot of adjusting to do. The ride height's gonna be, you know, way off for now, but one step closer. The sun's on its way down, but I don't know, we'll see. Worst case, I'll try and drive it in the morning. Hopefully everything goes well. If not, this video probably won't even make it on YouTube. So if you're watching this, things went well for once. All right, as you saw me pull it out there, it moves. The brakes are not doing so hot, but it should be enough for me to drive it around the block. Say I drove it. Let's see what happens. We're alive. I made it! Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. I can't believe I actually just drove this thing. Oh my god, this is wild. That like 10 seconds, 1 minute, whatever the hell it took me to go around the block, that was worth like every late night. I would build this car all over again just to do that. It feels like shit. It needs an alignment really bad, of course. I'm gonna have to dial in the fitment and just keep tinkering away at things, but man, it feels great to know that this thing actually can drive. It's capable of driving. All right, I kind of just called it quits after that last clip there. Tori and I ended up going away for the weekend. It was amazing. We had a great time. It was so nice to relax and not worry about the car for once. But I am back now. Before I did leave, I figured out this stupid little electrical issue with the cluster lights coming on. Someone just had a dual filament bulb in the wrong spot in the tail light, and I guess that's enough to backfeed a circuit and yeah, make everything go crazy. So that's all figured out. At this point, I'm basically gonna pull the car outside. I have to try and bleed the coolant. I'm having some issues with this rad. I really hope I don't have to get a new one. All right, well, that was short-lived. I'm having some issues with this rad. It's just been repaired in multiple ways, that being one of them. And yeah, I'm having issues here. So I just got another shipment from iRace, the boys, overnight shipping, of course. Brand new coil rad right there, pretty nice looking guy. Hopefully once that's installed, I have no major issues. I'm gonna be able to put some more kilometers on this thing. I totally forgot that my front windshield has no weather stripping on it. So that's good. Just got a lot of the interior wet, but hey, shit happens. Alrighty, it's gonna be a wrap for this video. Once again, sorry for all the talking. Sorry for not so much driving content, but I'm glad you got a little taste of what this thing's gonna be like. Got to take it around the block with Reed there. He loved it, I loved it. It's running a bit better in boost, so safe to say we're on a good track. I'm gonna get the alignment Monday and start piecing this thing back together. So definitely keep your eyes out for some more content, and definitely make sure you stay tuned to see this thing on track very, very soon, I promise. Once it's got the alignment, once I know everything's good to go, I will be on the track and I'm going to destroy some tires. I'm sure there's gonna be a big learning curve that comes with the drifting thing, but I'm super excited to get out there and see what happens, I guess. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.